What's good, YouTube? J-Steph Gaming here, and today I am not J-Steph Gaming. I am the king of Let's Plays now. I had to create a brand new channel because of copyright strikes on my old one, and today is the first video for this new one. Unfortunately, I lost all my progress from last year. It sucks. I know I built a community there, but I gotta move on. So with that being said, let me tell you what happened. So there's this company that had sent me an email about 2 months ago stating that my songs that I had used for the Pokemon Let's Play were copyright restricted. So I was like, okay, cool. So all I have to do is give mention to the person that did the song. They did it. Everything was cool. On January the 22nd at 0500 hours, my channel got taken down because they struck every single one of the videos for the Let's Play, which was sucked. But bottom line is that I have a brand new channel, which is this one, and I'm going to continue to put up the content probably by every day or so, like that. Like every 2 days something new will come out, and that's basically it. So with that being said, I'm decided to do like a little bit of a tag video or get people to know who I am, what my channel is going to be about, and basically why YouTube, why would you allow this to happen? The rage is real, but I'm going to compress it. So the first question is the reason why you do YouTube. It's been like 40 years since I started YouTube, and I quite frankly don't know why I continue, but I like it. The community is fun, probably because I'm an introvert. Don't really get out much to meet people, but if I'm behind the safety of a keyboard, I'm more open in myself, which I think is fun, and I also love video games, so that's what I like to do. Meaning behind your channel name, so basically is exactly what it says. I am the king of Let's Plays. I do nothing but Let's Plays on this channel. Hopefully I can do a little more comedy or skits or stuff like that when time comes, but for right now that's basically what I'm gonna do, and it's gonna be fine. What is my goal for this year? Basically to have at least 50 subscribers by the end of February. Hopefully my content is good enough. I feel like it is, and I've learned a lot over the couple of years to actually like get a channel off the ground and stay consistent. So that's what my two goals are. It's a lofty goal, I know, but I can do it. So the next question is, why gaming, huh? That's a tough one. Have you ever heard of someone being born to where they've never played a video game in your life? Exactly. That's all I play. That's all I know. So that's why I like video games. It's like asking someone to rap, or like they don't listen to rap music or country music or something like that. Everybody heard of it. Everybody does it. That's why I like gaming. Brings everyone together, and it's what I like to do. Okay, so strange question, and I don't know why I put this one, but how much do I weigh? I don't know if y'all can tell, I am a hefty boy. I am in the 240 range now at the behest of my nutritionist, so I need help. How old am I? That is a tricky question. I am a 90s baby, let's leave it at that. And I got my crown when I was 20. That's all that matters. Okay, so we're gonna date myself with this one. A zodiac sign. I'm gonna just say it is a half man, half horse. Let your imagination wonder what it could be. Here's a question I can actually get behind. What instrument do I play? I actually play a bass guitar, and cello, and violin, first and second chair, strings. I'm not weird. Here's a funny one to break the ice. What was the last insult I had? Quite frankly, it came from the hands of my mother. She told me that I was not her child because I disclosed to her that I hate fish. I always hated fish. That's why I never ate her fish. She said I'm not a child of hers. That happened yesterday. Last question, and I think that's the most important one. What is the last book you have read? quite frankly, it was the Cursed Child, the Harry Potter book. I finished it in like a month, and the reason why I'm not a slow reader, I just finished it in a month because I was working and I couldn't find time to actually read it at night before I went to bed or something like that, or when I woke up, when I was eating breakfast, stuff like that. It took a long time, but I enjoyed the book. I'm all caught up. Everything seems to be rolling 5. And here's the bonus question for those of y'all that sat around. What is my favorite game that I've ever played? If you know me, you have to know it is Pokemon Crystal on the Game Boy Color and Game Boy Advance and Game Boy SP. I played it, I loved it, I lived it. It was the best of Pokemon in every sense of the way because it gave you the both of Kanto and Johto. And you had to go through Johto to get to Kanto. Challenging. It's called 16 Gems, good story mode. I could play it over and over and over again. So that's basically what I'm going to do. Just a recapper. I'm an old dude, changed my name because channel strikes. Gonna be playing video games, and last but not least, 150 subscribers by the end of next month, and I can do it because I'm dedicated. But if you enjoyed today's little get to know me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, or better yet, follow me on Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram, or better yet, Snapchat. I'm always on there. Just to let y'all know, the first episode that probably go up will be the Smash Bros. Or the Mario Kart, or probably the Fire Red. Haven't decided all of that yet. It'll probably be in a different video. But I appreciate y'all stopping by, and I'm always open for collabs. It's been the King, and you may bow down to his graciousness. Peace.